Hi guys, my name is Reese, I'm a urologist, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Fluxactive Complete. Fluxactive Complete is a natural supplement designed to help men solve swollen prostate problems that arise as they begin to age. Taking this supplement allows you to safely restore your prostate health gradually. Prostate enlargement is at the root of all the many problematic conditions faced by men. As it continues to grow, it will put undue strain on your bladder and urinary tract and make it more difficult for you to perform sexually. If you had previously enjoyed a healthy sex life, this could take a hit, as the constriction of the tract will prevent blood from reaching your penis. The result is a decrease in the strength and number of erections experienced by the man, ultimately leading to poor performance. The Fluxactive Complete supplement is designed to help men find a lasting solution to these issues. As the prostate heals, users should begin to notice a significant improvement in the longevity and size of their erection. Their sexual stamina and drive may also begin to improve. Having a healthy prostate has many benefits, many of which result from taking the Fluxactive Complete supplement. Benefits include increased sex drive and improved mood. Treat and reduce the size of your prostate. Increase overall energy and stamina. Improve sexual health and erections. Enhance hormonal balance and production. Reduce the constant need to urinate. Remove the stress placed on your urinary tract. Improve urine flow and bladder control. But be very careful. Only the original product can provide all these benefits. The high demand for this product has caused many counterfeits to appear, but the original Fluxactive Complete is sold only on the official site. To ensure that you do not buy counterfeit products, I have put the link to the official site in the description of this video. Fluxactive Complete is changing the lives of thousands of men around the world right now. It makes no difference if you are 40 or 70 years old. You will get amazing results by taking Fluxactive Complete daily. Because it is a natural product, it has no side effects. If you are still not sure whether or not to buy it, Fluxactive Complete offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you do not get satisfactory results, customer service can be contacted for a full refund. So yes, you can trust this product. Many men have had amazing results with Fluxactive Complete, and you can have results too. However, the demand for this supplement has increased in recent days. And, because each bottle of Fluxactive Complete is manufactured in an FDA-registered and certified facility, producing a new batch of the supplement takes time. So you'll need to act quickly to buy it before stocks run out. The time it will take for Fluxactive Complete to reach your address is 5 to 10 days. You can be sure that the official website is highly secure. Don't forget that this product is only sold on the official website, and the link to the official website is in the description of this video.